You've probably heard about investing in stocks, but have you ever wondered about the difference between micro-investing, saving on a crypto platform, and full-blown crypto investing? They all sound like ways to grow your money, but they're for very different kinds of investors and goals. Let's break down the difference between Acorns, Coinbase, and direct crypto investing. First up, Acorns. Think of it as your financial acorn, growing into an oak tree. Acorns is a micro-investing app. Its whole thing is taking the spare change from your daily purchases and automatically investing it. You buy a coffee for $3.50, and Acorns rounds it up and invests that 50 cents for you. It's designed for passive, long-term growth, with diversified portfolios of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that's great for beginners who want to build a habit of saving and investing without having to think about it. The money you put in is invested in a mix of stocks and bonds, so it's a relatively stable and traditional way to build wealth. Then you have Coinbase. While it's best known as a place to buy and sell crypto, it also has features that blur the line between investing and saving. For example, Coinbase offers staking, where you can earn rewards on certain cryptocurrencies just by holding them in your account. It's similar to earning interest in a traditional savings account, but with a few key differences. Your rewards are paid in crypto, not dollars, and the rates can be significantly higher, but they are also much riskier. Your assets are not FDIC or SIPC insured like they would be in a traditional bank or brokerage account. And that brings us to the third option, direct crypto investing. This is what you do when you buy and sell cryptocurrencies on platforms like Coinbase. You are actively participating in a highly volatile, fast-moving market. Unlike Acorns' diversified portfolios, you are picking specific digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You have the potential for massive gains, but also for massive losses. It's a high-risk, high-reward game that requires a lot of research and a strong stomach for market swings. There are no spare change investments here. You're making deliberate choices about what to buy and when to sell. The risks are significant, from hacking and scams to extreme market volatility and a lack of regulation. So, how do you choose? If you're looking for a simple, low-risk way to start building a nest egg for the future, Acorns is a fantastic choice. If you're a crypto enthusiast who wants to earn rewards on your holdings, Coinbase's staking feature might be a good fit. But if you're ready to dive headfirst into the world of digital currencies and have the risk tolerance to match, then direct crypto investing is your path. The key is to understand the risks and rewards of each option and choose the one that aligns with your financial goals and comfort level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.